अखण्डमण्डलाकारम् व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री नमः।
Good evening, Master.
Good evening.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh,
Recognize me.
do we?
That's what I was asking. If everyone recognized me or not.
You're looking cute.
ये open door में कौन आ गया? Yeah, thank you.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, Nilima ji. How was your trip?
Yes, it's new aspects, new सब देखने का सोचने का न्यू तरीका.
हाँ, good. Thank you. Wonderful. तो मैं क्या?
You did not reply. Miraji said you're looking handsome.
I said thank you. What do you think I said thank you for? जिसको थैंक यू लागू पड़ता था वहां उसको लग गया, उसको पता
पहुंच
चल
गया.
गया, उसको पहुंच गया. Is this setting is off from what I want? Night shift auto lock every 30 seconds. Are you freaking crazy? Not getting it. Okay, let's see. So Wonderful. तो आपने, what was your experience with this experiment last 4 days of watching your life like a movie? हाँ मीरा जी बोलिए. Yes, go ahead.
What happened? I tried witnessing, but I couldn't get detached. I was getting attached, so it was on and off, flip flop. I was into the scene. I was not being able to completely detach and witness and all that stuff.
हाँ.
So I was attached. All that thing was happening. I was not completely just witnessing.
हाँ.
So
Okay.
that's my experience. So maybe I need some more time to witness.
Sure, but for whatever short time you were detached. What happened?
Yeah. That little part again, but I was dropping very fast. I was not remaining in that state. But because of being aware, I was dropping also very often. Huh? Thinking before I was easily attached, but because I have to be aware, so my mind was not being able to remain in that same flow. So that was my experience. Maybe one more week I'll try and I'll tell you.
Okay. Yeah. Take your time. Okay. Great. But anyway, you saw in the movie that you saw of your life, you were dropping in and out of the movie. That's the movie you saw. So you saw that. आपको पता है कि आप उसमें जा रहे थे, वापस आ रहे थे, तो वो देखा ना. You're on mute.
Sorry, that I could see, but it was not constant. So like 2 days continuously nahi tha. It was only 10 minutes fraction of some time in a day, and then I was out of it.
Okay.
So
Okay,
like like that it was. So I wanted to be
नीलिमा जी,
witnessing
आपको
throughout
आपने
the
पढ़ा था the group
whole.
this assignment or experiment?
नहीं सॉरी, क्योंकि ट्रैवल में थी तो मेरा नेट नहीं था उधर, इंटरनेट नहीं था. अभी देखा मैंने ज्वाइन होने के पहले. अभी बहुत सारे
Okay.
देखे मैंने अभी, लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मैंने वहाँ किया
Okay,
है.
so next. हाँ बोलिए.
Because I was in Dalhousie and everywhere hills or Wadia and everything is there. The full day we are hiking, trekking and everything. But when evening को जब meditation करती थी, that time you told us कि you are everything, you know. तो
Yeah.
महसूस करो कि तुम भी वादियाँ हो, तुम ही सब हो और तुम ही हो. So रोज 5-10 मिनट्स लगता था ये सब समझने में. ये when I sit for the meditation और उनको देख के फिर मैं समझती थी आंख बंद करके, अरे मैं ही हूँ. सो ऐसा फील होता था कि मैं घूम रही हूँ, मतलब पर्वतों से एंड एवरीवेयर. सो आई फील 2-3 बार ही ये एक्सपीरियंस मैंने किया है, नॉट रेगुलर वर्क, लेकिन 2-3 टाइम, एवरी टाइम 5 to 10 मिनट्स मैं ऐसे बैठ के सोच रही थी कि अरे मैं ही हूँ वो ट्री, मैं ही हूँ. तो उतना तक ही उतना तक डिड एवरी डे, बट 4 to 5 days I did, बस not regular because traveling and everything is going.
Wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful. Yeah. See, the thing is कि जो भी हमारा कंटेंट है, हमारी लाइफ का जो कंटेंट है, whether you are meditating or not, whether you are experiencing something pleasant, something half pleasant, something unpleasant, something wonderful, वो जो कंटेंट है उससे ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. It's not the content, it's the context, it's the background जिसके अंदर ये सब चल रहा है, जिसके अंदर ये सब हो रहा है. उसे जानने के लिए कंटेंट को ज्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. कि मैं भूल गया मेडिटेशन करना, ठीक है ना, that's your content. Anyway, it's a content. Whether you were meditating or not, whether you were very happy, very elated, very enthusiastic, or you were depressed, or you were down and you were sad and you were facing a challenging time, all of that is कंटेंट और उसको एक में से दूसरे में बदलने का कोशिश करना और उसमें टाइम और एनर्जी एंड एफर्ट लगाना is not the point, because it makes no difference to who you are. Who you are is the context and the background in which all the things are happening. And that context, which is you, the divine, the infinite, is where the adventure is, where the joy is, where the peace is, infinite joy. Matter. It doesn't, it's if you remembered 3 times, 5 times, one time, wonderful. If you forgot, also wonderful. That's besides the point. Great, great. Who else? क्या अनुभव किया, क्या अनुभव हुआ? This experiment.
Sir, I joined late. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, are you on the WhatsApp group, Dyuti?
Yes.
So a couple of days back, I had posted a sort of a assignment or a home play, or
Okay.
because we took a gap of about 4 days, and
Okay.
the experiment was to witness your life like a movie for the 4 days. Just
Okay.
whatever is happening, and you simply watch it like a movie.
Okay.
And the way you end, it's not about detaching. It's if there's a if there's a sad scene, tragic scene, cry. And if there's a happy scene, then you are happy. And if it's
Mhm.
if there are tears, then you, or if there's a funny part, then you laugh. So
Mhm.
so just like in the movie, just watching our own lives as
Mhm.
an observer, just watching this game, this on happening on this screen called you. um, उस पे जो मूवी चल रहा है उसको देखना. That was the experiment and the assignment
Okay.
that we had given,
But
and you
sir,
were to do that.
when you say dekhna, you mean like a proper meditation with your eyes closed, or just observing while you're doing everyday things?
No,
Now
while
we
you're
have
doing
to take
everything,
left.
not eyes
Yeah,
closed
right,
meditation.
right. Sorry.
Yeah, just
Okay.
everything, your normal life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Consciousness, normal.
Right.
There is the content of, and, and there is the context of your life. Because for me, it's breaking up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
I'll share.
Okay. Sec. Okay.
Right. Again left.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I
हाँ
can
प्रतिभा
share.
बहन. Okay, one sec. प्रतिभा बहन on mute. हाँ जेनिफर जी बोलिए.
So today, my morning starts with Kriya, and I mean, this teaching on meditation, and then there is Kriya, and then there's yoga, and then there's music, and then there's my cooking. And in the midst of all that, my husband removed some rice from the fridge, which was there of the previous day. I don't know why he did that. And everything fell on the floor and scattered in the midst of all that. And my yoga class is there. And so I came out and I said, oh, wow. And there was sort of no response or no reaction in a negative way or anything. And I knew I had to pick this up, but my yoga will be missed out. So I went back to my yoga casually, did my yoga, did my music, then picked it up without
Right.
stressing myself at all. And my husband can't bend, so he cannot pick it up.
Right.
I wanted to pick it up with the jharu. I said, no, don't pick it up with the jharu. We'll pick it up with the cloth so that the
Mhm.
crows can eat the rice
Yeah.
and it doesn't
Yeah.
go waste. And it was
Yeah.
like, I was so like detached, and normally I don't like wastage. I could shout at sometimes, why aren't you careful or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I was very cool. So that is the time I did it very well, but I missed it also. So I won't share that.
Very interesting.
I missed it once
Yeah.
also.
Sometimes we get caught in the movie.
Yes, I really got caught.
Yeah, that's what happens. And when, yeah,
Yeah.
like,
So despite all that, I did get sort of a little annoyed.
so,
It's human.
so yeah, that happens. And we get caught up in the movie. Then all we do is notice, oh, ye to movie hai. Why am I
Exactly. And
getting
then
caught?
I said, how come I got
So,
caught up like that?
yeah, yeah, great. Yeah. So I remember a funny thing. Like my mother had when we were little, my mom had a friend who was a neighbor, a Marwadi lady, who was, living in Mumbai and all that, but is practically straight from the village kind of a thing, no education and and all that. And she used to love Hindi movies, and she would want to go for all these Hindi movies with my mom, and sometimes we kid would go along, and she would get so caught up in the movie, and she would literally shout, देखो देखो बच्चा गिर जाएगा, बच्चा गिरेगा, वो गिरेगा. There's this in the scene. The kid, the whole theater is turning around and smiling and laughing, and she would not get it. She would not stop at anything uh, like that. So how funny we find that, and how silly or ridiculous is how eventually we can get to a point when we get caught up in our own movie of life, because there is no more reality to life than the reality of a dream or the reality of a movie. There is, it feels very solid, and it feels very real, and it feels very you know very much different than a dream or a movie. But if you really examine closely at everything that is going on, how, what is the evidence of it being actually real? In a dream, we are sure that it's real. In a dream, we are sure that the dream is real. If we hit a wall, we are sure that the wall is solid. And we can experience pain, we can experience fear, we can experience anger, we can experience everything. But the minute we open our eyes, we know clearly that, oh, there's no reality made up in my mind. And that the material from which that dream was made up was only my own thoughts and my own emotions and so on. So this, you heard the nursery rhyme, right? Row 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 your boat. चलो गाते हैं सब लोग मिलके. Row 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 your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. We've sung this nursery rhyme, hundreds of times, right? But we never really give much thought to it. Life is but a dream. Row your boat merrily, rowing the boat of life, it's river of life. You can row it merrily if you understand that it is a dream. All the things that we think are so real and so solid, there is no evidence evidence for it. So if we go based on our own experience of life, of what is actually the experience, not the concept, not the thought, not the afterthought, not the construct, but the actual experiential level, what is there is only the knowing of this dream, the knowing of this, whatever is in front of you, the knowing of that is the only thing that's real. The knowing of it is real. It itself being real, there is no evidence. Are you understanding? So as a concept, as we claim that it was, that it is solid and so on. But at the level of there is nothing real. It's all just awareness, awareness, awareness. This is the only reality of it. Whatever I see, whatever I hear, whatever I touch, whatever I feel, at the level of experience, the only reality of what I see is the seeing of it. There is no direct evidence of any object itself directly. There is only evidence of seeing, the process of seeing. Similarly with touch, similarly with sound.
But when I am aware of it, doing anything, the
Yeah.
quality of that changes. ये मैंने 3-4 दिन में एक्सपीरियंस किया.
Okay.
हर चीज में ट्राई करके देखा मैंने. खाना खा रहा हूँ तब जस्ट बीइंग इन अवेयरनेस, तो खाना खा रहा हूँ तो मतलब वो जो भी क्रिया कर रहा हूँ, जो भी कर रहा हूँ, उसकी क्वालिटी और सेंसिटिविटी इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है कि खाना सिर्फ रोटी खा रहा, सब्जी दाल कुछ नहीं उसके साथ, तो रोटी का एक एक वो मतलब गेहूं की रोटी का वो जो टेस्ट है, उसका फ्लेवर है, वो हर चीज समझ में आ रही. और कोई साथ में मटर खा रहा हो तो मटर का फ्लेवर जो है वो आखिर तक के मतलब वो हर चीज, नहाते समय पानी सर पे डाल रहा हूँ और जो नीचे तक पानी उतरते उतरते अंदर जो कुछ प्रोसेस हो रही है वो हर चीज मैं देख रहा हूँ कि मैं कैसे फील कर रहा हूँ. मुझे मेरा अवेयरनेस इतना जैसे जैसे हाई रहता है ना, तो हर चीज की क्वालिटी चेंज होते हुए देखी मैंने. इवन पेशेंट भी देख रहा हूँ तो पेशेंट देखते समय विद अवेयरनेस देख रहा हूँ तो मेरा हाथ बच्चे पर से जो घूम रहा है उसके साथ जो बात कर रहा हूँ, मेरा वॉइस कंपैशनेट हो रहा है, मेरा उससे मतलब उसको जो सलाह दे रहा हूँ उसमें मेरी आवाज अपने आप बदलते हुए मैंने महसूस की. वो हर चीज का जब भी अवेयरनेस में हूँ तब ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ ऐसे फ्रिक्शनलेस है, बिल्कुल मैं जैसे तैरते हुए जी रहा हूँ. मतलब ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ. ये मतलब जस्ट फ्लोटिंग वाला जो ये है. ऐसे बहुत बार मैं पिछले 4 दिन में तो कई सारे इंसिडेंसेस हुए कि मैंने हर बार, और जब भी वो अवेयरनेस में हूँ तो एक मैंने महसूस किया कि डर नाम की चीज नहीं है मन में. अदरवाइज हमेशा जब भी अवेयरनेस के बाहर हूँ ना तो लो थॉट्स बोलो या डर बोलो या फिर बात की चिंता ये आती है. और जब भी अवेयरनेस में हूँ तब बहुत देर तक पे ही रहा हूँ. ऐसा काफी समय तक ऐसा हुआ कि मैं अवेयरनेस में हूँ तो उस समय में कभी कोई लो थॉट नहीं, कोई डर नहीं, कोई चिंता नहीं. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जो कुछ भी चाहिए, जो भी है सब इतना अच्छा है. तो फीलिंग इतना अच्छा था कि मतलब हमेशा उसके लिए क्रेव कर रहा था मैं कि बस ऐसे ही जीते रहो.
Beautiful, beautiful. Fantastic, fantastic. So you are actually on the next step which we were going to take after this witnessing step. ये witness step का जो आप एक या 2 step आगे गए हैं, which is wonderful, which is, so the first step was to separate from the world and see that I am not all this content. मैं ये सब जो चल रहा है वो मैं नहीं हूं. ये सारी चीजें जो चल रही है लाइफ में, ये मूवी जो चल रही है, वो मूवी के सीन बदलते रहते हैं, लेकिन मैं नहीं बदलता. सीन बदलते हैं, but I do not actually change in any way. I am back to my pristine state before the scene. Whatever I was, the scene happens. I am involved in the scene. I am experiencing the scene. And when the scene ends, I am myself again. तो ये एक अनुभव तौर पे एक एस्टैब्लिश जब हो जाए कि मैं ये जो सीन चल रहा है, कंटेंट जो भी है लाइफ का, वो मैं नहीं हूं. That was so witness जब करते हैं हम, when we witness everything, we are automatically creating a separation and a distance between the movie or life and the content and I which is experiencing the content. उसमें है कि हम artificial distance हम create कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हम फिर जाके ये awareness जिसको हमने separate किया है, जो मैं मेरी असलियत है, उसको हम देख सके, उसको हम जान सके, उसको हम अनुभव कर सके. आप जो आप बोल रहे हैं पुरुषोत्तम जी की attention and awareness going into everything. So once we know what this awareness is, तो उसको वापस लाइफ में उसको लाना and then bringing that awareness back, because awareness की अपनी कुछ qualities है of lovingness, compassion, peace, quietness. There is nothing like fear for awareness. There is nothing like death. There is nothing, and death is the only fear there is ultimately. So death ही नहीं है तो fear ही नहीं है. And कोई वो जरूरत नहीं है कि वो अपने आप को बढ़ाए because it is infinite. It cannot be belittled because it is infinite. It is not afraid of being small. It is not afraid of being big. It does not wish to be any bigger because it is already infinite. तो ये सब जो qualities है, उसको हम जब वापस लाते हैं हमारी ये मूवी के अंदर वापस, then the quality of the movie changes. Like you are experiencing the movie itself, उसकी ही quality, the content may not change. You are still eating food.
Yeah.
It is not that you are now not eating food. You are still seeing your patients, the children, and you are still doing the same thing that you were doing before the entry of awareness into life. But the quality of it has changed. The content is the same, but the quality of the experience has changed because now life is infused with this source of awareness. Wonderful, wonderful.
एक चीज और शेयर करना चाहूंगा. अभी कल हम साथ साथ पिक्चर आ रही थी टीवी पे, तो वो देख रहा था. मैंने कई बार देखी वो, लेकिन विथ अवेयरनेस जब कल दिख रहा था ना, तब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मैं उसका पार्ट हूँ. मतलब हर चीज जो कोई गाना गा रहा है, उसके सुर जो सुनाई दे रहा है, या कोई डायलॉग है, या कोई इमोशनल सीन है, तो इमोशंस की जो एक डेंसिटी और इंटेंसिटी थी, वो इंटेंसिटी मेरे अंदर तक पहुंच रही थी. वो जो मैंने वो पिक्चर कई बार देखी है, लेकिन वो कल जिस ढंग से महसूस कर सका ना मैं हर इमोशन, वो ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे कि ये मैं जी रहा हूँ और मैं उसके साथ में ये होके मतलब खुशी का पल है तो उसको एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ, और यदि कोई ऐसा इमोशनल पल है तो वो भी मतलब इतनी इंटेंसिटी थी, वो क्वालिटी अलग ही थी. पिक्चर मतलब ये कल देखी हुई पिक्चर में जिंदगी भर नहीं भूल सकता.
Fantastic, fantastic. Very, 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 very important point. See, most people are not into spirituality. They don't want to have anything to do with it because of this misunderstanding, this misinterpretation कि जब हम spiritual हो जाते हैं, then you turn away from life and that you deny life and you don't experience life anymore and you become this dry, dead, शुष्क पर्सनालिटी जिसको किसी चीज में रस नहीं है, किसी चीज में दिलचस्पी नहीं है और बस अपनी धुन में है और मेडिटेशन में है या कहीं पे है. and missing on life. So this is what turns off most people from spirituality. और ये जो आप बात कर रहे हैं ये बिल्कुल opposite है. It's completely the opposite. It is not about turning away from life at all. It's about jumping headlong into life and being immersed in life and being completely and beautifully just, pervaded by life and just fully immersed and engaged in life. It's an engagement. The third step की हम बात कर रहे हैं, once you know the qualities of awareness, re-engaging with life, जो पुनः प्रवेश की जो हम बात करते हैं, re-entering life with the knowledge of who you really are, but re-engaging, not because you have to, not because you need to, but because of the game of it, the play of it. और है क्या दुनिया में, the joy of life, the joie de vivre, they call it in France. And this is the one thing which, when more and more people understand, then more and more people will be interested in what we are talking about. People are, and rightly so, who wants to live a dead kind of a life where you got this life, you got this body, you got all these senses, you got a brain, you got intelligence, you have this beautiful playground called people, called knowledge, called poetry, called song, called music, called art. ये सारे प्लेग्राउंड में इतने सारे कैंडी और इतने सारे खिलौने हैं जो हमने खुद ने सृजाए हैं, और हम जाके एक कोने में बैठ जाएंगे कि मुझे ये सब कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मुझे नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि मैं तो कॉन्शियसनेस हूं. This is the most waste. It's a boring, dull kind of existence. So, yes, you are consciousness, and this all doesn't matter. But but knowing it's a dream, and enjoy this dream of life. So, yes, life is but a dream. But why not dream this dream fully? Dream this dream fully. Engage in it. And that's the ecstasy of, the complete circle of not need. ये मुझे, मैं अपने आप को बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं, patients को देखूंगा या कुछ, but simply because this is the game I'm playing, called I am seeing patients. For that game itself.
वो इंस्टेंस में इतना फुलनेस रहता है कि कोई चाह ही नहीं रहती.
कोई चाह ही नहीं रहती. Where now it almost wouldn't matter to you कि वो fees दे नहीं देवे, what difference does it make? You are enjoying the experience of being able to take care of this child is so much more. You are engaged and enjoying it, that all that is just byproduct. This is the same principle on which companies can run. Companies can operate on this. If you are running a small or a big company, let the profits and the results be a byproduct of your joyousness, of your engaging in this play, and not the focus, not the purpose of your company. The purpose and the vision of your company cannot and need not, and it need not be profits. क्या प्रॉफिट लेके what क्या उखाड़ लोगे?
उखाड़ लोगे is your favorite phrase.
I know, it's my favorite dialogue. क्या उखाड़ लोगे यार?
क्या उखाड़ लोगे?
But if
लेकिन वो बहुत
you
pinpoint लगता है.
Exactly, but
on the dot लगता है बिल्कुल.
On the dot. क्या उखाड़ लोगे? लेकिन अगर आपने ये करते करते आपने अगर आनंद का अनुभव किया है, आपका बिजनेस को बढ़ाते बढ़ाते आपने जॉयफुलनेस एक्सपीरियंस किया है, कंपैशन एक्सपीरियंस किया है, प्लेफुलनेस एक्सपीरियंस किया है, तब जाके कुछ बात बनेगी। और उसके साथ साथ प्रॉफिट तो होना ही है, इट्स जस्ट अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. So
I'd like to add something else.
yeah, just give me a second. So there is one country in the world which has understood it very clearly. I don't know if you guys know about Bhutan, but Bhutan has understood this, that GDP is not important. What is important is happiness. And they don't measure GDP. They actually measure GNH. They have this as the criteria: gross national happiness. It is the only country in the world which does this. They told UN, we don't want to know our GDP. We want to know how happy our people are. And based on that, the entire economy and the entire government policies and everything is based on this understanding. And of course there is production, and of course there is crops, and there is food, and there is clothes, and there is mobile phones and whatever. The production is happening, but it is happening as a byproduct. It is not the focus. It's a very topsy-turvy world where production is the focus. Can you imagine cutting a tree adds to GDP? Cutting more trees means more GDP. Is it the correct measure of how we should be operating? More hospitals, more patients is more GDP. But should the criteria be more hospitals, or should the criteria be more health, better health? If a country has hospitals, that is a better country than a country which has more hospitals, because it means more people are falling sick. So their entire economy is based on happiness. They go around the survey of the government is asking people to grade their level of happiness. Education is given importance. Culture is given importance. Art and music is given importance. Nature is given importance. They built a whole hydroelectric dam with some technology help from India, but their first criteria was, you want to build a dam, you want to do a hydroelectric project, please come and do, but your design must not cut a single tree from this mountain. You give us a design like that, then we will go ahead. And see, when the challenge is thrown in that direction, the brain also starts working. So you know what they did? The way of creating hydroelectric power is you build a dam, and lots of square miles or square kilometers of jungle get submerged in the water. Villages are displaced, people are displaced, their whole livelihood is spoiled. And then you route the water from the dam to turbines and you generate electricity. They said nothing doing. For us, happiness is more important. We cannot displace people. We cannot cut trees. We do not want to reduce the ground cover of trees and forests. Now you tell us how you're going to give us electricity from this river. So the design that they created, they diverted the river into a tunnel under the mountain. So the water is forced under the mountain. The top, everything, the birds, the bees, the trees, everything is remained untouched. The water goes underground, under the mountain, where the energy is drawn into turbines and power is made. And again, the river simply emerges back outside and it continues on its merry way. Without touching one single tree, they created this huge hydroelectric project. Why? Because they understood happiness is more important than production. So this same principle we can apply in our life and to our companies and our business, whether it's a small business or a big business. You check whether whatever you're doing, are you creating joy for yourself as a freelance artist or as a beautician or the beauty products or whatever you're doing. It doesn't even matter. Does it bring you happiness? If it brings you happiness, the money follows. There's nothing magic about it. The money just follows. But at the cost of happiness, if you build, bungalows and palaces, so what? How does it matter? You're going to sleep on a bed. You're going to only eat about 300, 400 grams of food, one way or the other. So go ahead, Jennifer ji, you were sharing something.
Yeah, this was so beautiful. Yeah, what I was wanted to share was that I found one thing happening when you're observing every action and every thought and every emotion within yourself, you tend to do a complete action in everything. You don't tend to miss out on things. Like you don't do a haphazard job. You don't forget when to put off the geyser. You don't forget, when you are after cooking. When you're cooking, also everything is like going systematic, and you don't. All your actions are very complete. Like right from cooking, when you're starting cooking, you're finishing. You are so aware that this food does not require a very high flame. No, no, no. This food is very sensitive. It requires a very slow flame. You become very attuned.
Sensitive.
Yeah, very sensitive, very attuned, and you complete all your actions. You just don't leave garbage there on the platform. You complete it. You clean everything nicely, and you do a complete job from A to Z.
Correct. Basically,
Enjoying
what you're
everything.
describing,
So yeah, the alertness
is
goes to
is
that
the
heightened level.
is that the qualities of I, the qualities
Yeah,
of consciousness become more and more present,
heightened. Yeah,
more and more present in day-to-day life.
yeah,
So those qualities, what are the qualities? The qualities of completeness, the qualities of okayness. Like it was okay, the rice fell out of the fridge, it's happened already. Now what is the point in crying about it, getting upset, shouting at somebody or whatever? There was no point. Awareness doesn't do that. Awareness just accepts what is and moves on, experiences what is. It's not about ignoring it either. So you took care of it afterwards. So but when you're not aligned with that awareness that you really are, and you forget who you are, that's when all the suffering happens. All suffering on the planet, all crime, all the nonsense that happens is nothing but misguided search for awareness, misguided search for peace, misguided search for happiness. The murderer, the rapist, the terrorist is also looking for happiness, nothing else. There is no difference between you, me, and them. We are all looking for happiness. The only difference is if you look for happiness in the direction which is opposite of where it is found, which is right where you are, live, where you are, who you are, then that search becomes more and more desperate. And that more and more desperate search results in more and more desperate activity, whether it's hurting somebody physically or abusing them or crime, and all that stuff happens. So it's nothing but, all quest is a spiritual quest. All quest is spiritual, because all quest is nothing but a quest for peace, love, and joy. So the terrorist and the criminal and the murderer is as spiritual as you can imagine. What are they looking for? The same thing that the so-called saint is looking for. They are both on the same quest. They are also looking for that. The person who is a drunk, what is he looking for, or she? Looking for peace. Looking for peace. And looking for peace is nothing but spirituality. Looking for happiness is the highest highest form of spiritual endeavor that you can ever engage in. So they are also looking for the same thing. They are also looking for that which you are, which they already are. So the only thing different is that they're looking in the opposite direction. It's just a misguided search. That's all. And it's as simple as understanding and knowing that what you're looking for is already yours, already you. So whether we talk about business, or we talk about crime, or we talk about pollution, or for anything and everything, it's simply a matter of an ordinary life, so-called ordinary life. And like we talked a few weeks earlier, there is nothing like ordinary anything. There is no such thing. There is no ordinary anything. Everything is extraordinary. Everything is wonderful. Everything is divine. Everything is magical. Everything is incredible. Everything. There is nothing ordinary. So, so whether it is this so-called ordinary life, or so-called glamorous life, or so-called this life or that life, or criminal life, or whatever, all of it is simply a search for happiness. All of it is simply a search for happiness. And when we can put an end to the search and start living in what we really are, that's when these miracles start happening, of experiencing the beauty and the divine and the magic of everyday ordinary life. Whereas we spend all our life trying to change the content, trying to change the circumstance, trying to change the person, trying to change ourselves. It's not required. We may choose to change certain things about ourselves. Like, I'm more fit than I was a month ago because I'm doing Kriya 2 times a day these days, 1 hour without fail. I mean, I have never been so disciplined in my life, but it is simply happening. And it is not a change that is happening because I feel something lacking, or I need to, or should, or want, but it is simply a flow of celebrating this body, celebrating playing tennis. My game of tennis has improved, by a large margin in the last few weeks because of all this. But so what I'm saying is not that you cannot change, but you need not change. There is a difference between needing to change and wanting to change. Whether it's about losing weight, or whether it's about a diet, or whether it's about doing anything, you need not do anything of that. There is nothing like that. It's all content. Let go. We can let go of the fear or the pressure to change. When we let go of the fear and the pressure to change, then we are free to change. We are infinite. We are infinite consciousness, willing, able, and powerful enough to make anything happen in our life that we choose. But we can only really choose when we are free from this misunderstanding that somehow I'm not complete, somehow I'm not full, somehow I'm not enlightened, somehow I'm not divine, and I need to do this and this and this and this so that I can become that. You are already that. That's the great news. You're already that. Now just celebrate, and your celebration can include yoga, can include meditation, can include exercise, can include a diet. But as a celebration, not as a search, not as a grasping, not as something lacking, but as an expression of fullness. I can become a better artist. Why? Not because I am not good enough as whatever level of artist I am. No. But because I want to celebrate art. It's a whole different game. This dream can become either a nightmare or a beautiful dream. And it's completely in how in our hands which direction we take it. And what makes it the nightmare is this: oh, I'm not good enough, I'm this, I'm that, I'm that, I need more money, I need more whatever. You don't. Who you are is infinite consciousness. Your reality is infinite divineness. You are love itself. You are freedom itself. How can you need anything? You don't. You are eternal. So, yeah, knowing this eternal truth about ourselves, we can simply celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Anyone else wants to share anything? Sonal ji, what was your experience 4 days?
Sir, I had a very different experience.
Okay.
Earlier, it was a nightmare.
Okay.
Then due to few instances, my sixth sense got activated.
Okay.
And then the nightmare turned into a comedy scene.
Arey wah.
And,
Okay.
and now it's like, after what I'm hearing from you now, it's like a dream.
Right, right. In that case, forget everything I said. You let it be a comedy only. It's a much better option than my dream stuff. Let it be a comedy.
I was just listening to you and I was just thinking what all happened in 4 days and how I have reacted and how the things have gone. So I was
Correct.
just going on, now it's a dream.
Right, right, right. So similar circumstance, but you would have reacted differently, or it's the same?
No, I did react badly because the scene was quite bad.
Okay.
But that reaction was necessary. Earlier
Okay.
I thought politely, politely.
Very good.
But nahi hua politely.
Correct.
Blast
Correct.
Blast
That is
हुआ. And वो
very
जरूरी
good.
था.
इंटरेस्टिंग मूवी में ब्लास्ट भी होते हैं, ये भी होता है, सब होता है.
तो हॉरर मूवी हो रहा था और हॉरर मूवी से कॉमेडी में गया और
कॉमेडी में गया, बस बहुत अच्छा. फैंटास्टिक, फैंटास्टिक.
कॉमेडी में तो जाके आज आराम से बैठी हूँ और सुन रही हूँ आपका लेक्चर. तो वही सोच रही हूँ कि चलो कॉमेडी में पहुंच तो गए.
कॉमेडी में पहुंच गए तो that is the highest. I'm telling you, laughter is the highest state. It is higher than any other state that we can achieve. You know, whether we are in some state of samadhi or meditation and all that. In my opinion, laughter is higher than that. Because when you're able to see the cosmic joke of life and the play that life is, there's nothing beyond that. Beautiful, huh? Vandana ji, boliye.
अपने आप पे ही हंसना ही पड़ रहा है. It's like we are laughing at our own selves only.
Yeah. I mean, at the end of it, it's one big joke. One big joke. The entire story. हाँ वंदना जी बोलिए.
Yeah, I could recall right from the beginning, like when I was a child, and from then onwards, and what all major events. And
You have a video on करिए ना.
हाँ करती हूँ.
Yeah.
Uh,
Everyone, whoever can, please put on videos. If you can't, it's okay.
Yeah.
हाँ.
I could recall like right from the beginning, not like maybe when I was 5 years old, वो time से फिर all the major जो भी events हुए, like schooling and then college and then living in a joint family, and then how I used to talk and react, and always it was that I was fearless, and and even if anyone said anything, it did not matter to me, and I would just go on doing what I felt is correct, and in that way I was happy with all the achievements too. And that's it, like, and even
Yeah.
now, like even later years of life, I did not react to what people would say, and I would think that I would listen to them, but it would not affect me much. And now I realize that whenever things would affect me, and then it was a big problem. Like my decisions would not be on the right, and I would be disturbed, and then I could not take decisions. So, and now after attending your this open door
Whatever
and
this is, ये जो भी
so
है, पता नहीं
yeah,
क्या है,
so
लेकिन कुछ तो है.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे,
हाँ.
मीन्स मुझे लग रहा है कि ठीक है, मे बी आई एम नॉट फॉलोइंग एनी वन इन पर्टिकुलर, मतलब किसी का एडवाइस नहीं सुनती हूँ फैमिली में, या मीन्स आई डू व्हाट आई लाइक, बट when I do it in that manner, I'm happy also, and I'm not disturbed, and I'm able to move ahead.
Right,
Because
right.
in last very disturbing facts also have taken place, but then ठीक है, जो हो गया वो हो गया, लेकिन अभी when it comes to personal loss, tragedies and all that, you get very disturbed. I was very disturbed, but now ऐसे है ना कि soul is there and you keep moving ऐसे, तो it is helping me.
Correct, correct. And you were sharing last time about how your freedom, whatever you experienced and your okayness, before you were not allowing that same freedom and okayness for your children or your daughter. But now,
Yes.
that you are giving her the same space that you gave yourself,
Yes.
things are
I
very,
I think I was a little bit dominating, not only dominating, assertive, that ऐसे करो, ऐसे क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
yeah,
Because I being the eldest, and I was always used to being in a position of, a lot of power was there right
yeah,
from beginning.
yeah,
Even as a child, and even in the place where I was working, then even in school, I had lot of power. And with power, I had money also on hand. Always, like, I was entrusted with money, that
yeah,
you do this, how you can manage. So it made me all the more powerful.
correct.
And then I said that no, this is the right way, and if people don't follow it, they will goof up and it will not work. But now I realize that, see, how I realize slowly, maybe it worked for me, but then I must give them also the freedom. Let
Correct.
them learn from
Let
their
them learn.
mistakes and then
Exactly.
come to the conclusion.
Beautiful. Wonderful.
And I did this with my husband also. Earlier, I used to have a lot of differences. But now the moment I said that let us not have any differences, let us just talk it out. ठीक है, जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, देखते हैं कैसे workout करते हैं. तो this also made a big impact, and it helped me a lot.
Beautiful, beautiful, wonderful. Acceptance of what is, and acceptance of people the way they are. ये सब हमको पता है, but then remembering that you are nothing but acceptance itself. You are like space. Space को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, उसमें आप कचरा डालो या हीरा डालो, वो सबको वेलकम करता है. Space does not say हीरा चाहिए मुझे. Space says okay, whatever is there in my space. So like that.
और ये क्या है, this I know since I was 10 years old. Now I am 56 years old. फिर भी ये मुझे अभी पता चलने लगा है लॉकडाउन के टाइम में कि ये सब जो पकड़ के रखते हैं ना, वो नहीं चलने वाला है.
Correct.
मतलब
Correct.
इतना फर्क पड़ने लगा. मैं जानती थी ये सब चीजों के बारे में, मे बी
Exactly.
स्कूलिंग से, घर में भी, we were staying in a joint family, very big family, लेकिन ये अभी पता चला है.
Right, right. Yeah.
अंजना जी, आप लॉकडाउन के टाइम में अनलॉक हो गए.
Thank you.
लॉकडाउन
thank
के
you,
टाइम में
yes.
अनलॉक हो गए. Exactly.
Yes.
Really.
Very good.
Really
Wonderful.
unlock.
It has benefited me in many ways. Like जैसे लग रहा है जैसे बहुत फ्री हो गया, माइंड फ्री हो गया और अभी कुछ कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो डिस्टर्ब बहुत रहती थी मैं.
So there's this story, or like sort of a anecdote about, so it's about two friends. So this friend narrates this story that I always I used to smoke, and I used to drink, and I used to times and not pay attention to. I had a friend who always kept telling me that how can you smoke so much, how come you're drinking so much, you're not studying, and you need to change, you need to change, you must change, you must stop all this, what you're doing, and you cannot be like this. And years went like this, and I never changed, and I remained the same. And one day my friend told me that, you know what, it's okay, I love you just the way you are. And that is the day that I changed.
Accepted.
Yeah, and that is the day that I changed. So that acceptance is what what it is, that we can give to everyone around us. It's a small thing, but I had this beard growing, and some people like it, and my sisters don't like it. Harsha doesn't like it, and Lopa is on the call. She's my sister. So today I shaved, and I said, look, you must be happy now. She said, this time I didn't even tell you need to shave, because I said, okay, if this beard is what is making you happy, have a beard. And then on my own I shaved. So just a small incident, but just that acceptance of, okay, this is what it is, then okay. And then the change, the freedom to change, the space to change is created, not as a need and a pressure, but simply as a game, as a celebration. So living life like that, and doing your business like that, as the game that it really is, and see how it multiplies, and see how it becomes 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times bigger. If you want to, I mean, nothing that bigger is better, okay? Don't get me wrong, small is also beautiful. Pratibha Ben, you want to share something?
Yeah. My experience on Sakshi Bhave visualization.
Yeah. Beautiful. Chalo.
Previously, I was doing all the thing in the life as a duty from my own angle only. By observing, I have found from other angle also, and found it in some part I was right, in some part I was wrong from the other angle also.
Okay. Example આપો ને એકાદ તો હમણાં જરા ખબર પડે.
હવે તમે કહીએ કે જેમ છોકરાઓ છે એ વાંચે નહીં અને રમવા જાય તો આપણે એમ કે તને ભણવામાં જીવ નથી લાગતો.
Right.
એ લોકોના એંગલ થી બરાબર છે કે એ લોકો રિક્રિએશન માટે ગયા હોય, પણ
Correct.
now I realize it.
Right.
For them angle, their angle, they are right.
They are right.
From my angle, I was wrong.
Right.
They have to study, not to play when the exams are there.
Correct. The only proof of right and wrong, listen carefully to this one, is existence. If it is there, that's the only proof you need that it is right. It's there. Good enough. उसको और सर्टिफिकेट थप्पा कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. It's there, and therefore it is right. Existence has allowed it to exist. That's good enough. Now my judgment, my opinion, भाड़ में जाए. Great, wonderful. Thank you. That's the.
Thank you.
भाड़ में जाए, उखाड़ लोगे.
उखाड़. There is one
સંજીવ
teacher,
આપણામાં
I don't know if you, I'm forgetting his name, but one of the, people who conducts these inspirational talks and all, he goes 3-4 steps higher than this Bhadmeja Ukharlo. I don't know if you know about this guy. He goes into MC, BC, whatever.
સંજીવ આપણા ગુજરાતીમાં એમ કે ને શું ઉખાડ દેગોમાં શું મોટી ધાડ મારી
શું ધાડ મારી એમાં શું ધાડ
શું
મારી
ધાડ મારી અથવા શું તીર માર્યું
શું તીર
He
માર્યું
typed
yeah
it as
exactly the same thing
same thing
beautiful thank you Om asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya mrutyorma amrutam gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you. I bow down to the divine where you are sitting. I bow to the divine which you are. I love you, I honor you, I respect you, I adore you. Thank you.
ચલો thank you to everyone. Thank you.
Be well, be happy.
Thank you. Good night.
Now
Good
see
night.
you when?
See you on Thursday now, not tomorrow. Meera ji,
तो कल आ जाएंगे सब लोग. Nilima ji, you may not be aware, we have made this 3 times a week.
Okay.
Oh,
Tuesday, Thursday,
ए
Saturday.
जेनिफर जी
हाँ
हम
जी.
सब आ जाएंगे तो आपके साथ बैठेंगे.
हाँ ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है. हाँ आ जाएंगे तो आ सकते हैं. Open door cafe will be open anyway. You can come and hang out.
No. Just I am making.
No, it's true. It will be available anytime. Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay.
So on Thursday,
Thank you.
those who did not share about this witness, see for the next 2 days, like Duty, Nilima ji, Rajesh, Milind, whoever, everyone, and you keep observing life like a movie. What happens? Share that on Thursday. Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night. Jai Gurudev.
Bye-bye.
Jai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Everyone.